Hello students, today we are going to start probability density functions. Let x be a continuous random variable, then a probability distribution or probability density function, that is PDF of x, is a function fx such that for any two numbers a and b with a less than and equal to b will be this one, that is probability of a less than and equal to x less than and equal to b will be equal to integration of fx with limits a to b. That is, the probability that x takes on a value in the interval a to b is the area above this interval and under the graph of the density function. As you can see in this figure. Fine. For fx to be a legitimate PDF, it must satisfy the following two conditions. First one, fx should be greater than and equal to 0 for all x. Second, integration of fx ranging from minus infinity to infinity is equal to the area under the entire graph of fx, which is equal to 1. Now let us start with this question. The PDF of a continuous random variable is as follows. So we have given this PDF. First part, for this to be a proper function, what must be the value of c? Solution, for this to be a proper function, minus infinity to infinity, fx dx should be equals to 1. In the next step, we will write, we have given the limits as 0 to 2, so it will be 0 to 2. Fx is this one, which is c 4x minus 2x square dx is equal to 1. In the next step, we can take 2 common from this bracket, so it will be 2c integration 0 to 2, and the terms left in the bracket will be 2x minus x square dx equals to 1. Next step, 2c, now we will integrate. It will become 2 times x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 0 to 2 equals to 1. This will be cancelled out. 2c. Now when we will put the limits into this bracket, it will become 4 minus 8 upon 3 equals to 1. Next step, 2c, and this will become 4 upon 3 equals to 1. Last step, c equals to 3 upon 8. So this is the final answer. Fine. B part, find the probability that x lies between 1 and 2. So this is very simple. B part, we need to find probability 1 less than x less than 2. It will be equals to integration 1 to 2. These will be the limits and this is the function. Now we have already find the value of c, which is 3 upon 8 and 4x minus 2x square dx. Now I think that you can solve it further by taking its integration along with these limits 1 to 2. Fine. C part, find probability of x greater than 2 So p x greater than 2. Now we have given the limit 0 to 2. So the probability of x greater than 2 will be equals to 0. Okay. Next question is, we have given this function and we need to find the value of c so that the given function is PDF. Solution: the given function will represent PDF if integration of minus infinity to infinity fx dx equals to 1. Next step, integration. We have given this limit as 0 to 1 and the function was c by x. So 0 to 1 c by x dx equals to 1. In the next step, c integration 0 to 1 1 by x dx equals to 1. In the next step, c integration of 1 by x will be log x. 0 to 1 equals to 1. Next step, c. Now we will put these limits, so it will become log 1 minus log 0 equals to 1. In the next step, c log 1 is 0 minus log 0 is minus infinity equals to 1. Next step, c times infinity equals to 1. Therefore, value of c does not exist. Fine. Next question. We have given this function and we need to find the value of c. Solution: the given function will represent PDF if minus infinity to infinity fx dx equals to 1. In the next step, we have given the limits as x greater than 0, so we will write 0 to infinity and fx was c upon 1 plus x. c upon 1 plus x dx equals to 1. In the next step, c 0 to infinity 1 upon 1 plus x dx equals to 1. Next step, c integration of 1 upon 1 plus x will be log 1 plus x 0 to infinity equals to 1. Then we will write c log infinity minus log 1 equals to 1. c log infinity will be infinity minus log 1 is 0 equals to 1. c times infinity equals to 1. Therefore, value of c does not exist. Last question. The PDF of x is given by this function. Find the value of c. Solution. The given function will represent PDF if minus infinity to infinity fx dx equals to 1. Next step. Limits have been given as 0 to 4 and the function was c by root x. So we will write 0 to 4 c upon root x dx equals to 1. Next step, c integration of 0 to 4 1 upon root x dx equals to 1. Then c integration of 1 upon root x will be 2 root x 0 to 4 equals to 1. Next step, c, and this will become 2 root 4 minus 0 equals to 1. It will be 4c and the value of c is 1 by 4. Fine. B part. Find probability of x less than 1 by 4 and probability of x greater than 1. So, probability of x less than 1 by 4 will be equals to 0 to 1 by 4 c upon root x dx. Next step, c integration of 0 to 1 by 4 1 upon root x dx. We have already calculated the value of c, that is 1 by 4, and the integration of 1 by root x will be 2 root x. 0 to 1 by 4. Next step, 1 by 4 to root 1 by 4 minus 0. So it will become 1 by 4 to multiply 1 by 2 cancel out, and the final answer is 1 by 4. Fine. Next one, probability of x greater than 1. It will be equal to integration of 1 till 4 c upon root x dx equals to c integration 1 to 4 1 upon root x dx. Value of c is 1 by 4 and the integration of 1 upon root x will be 2 root x 1 till 4 equals to 1 by 4 2 root 4 minus 2. In the next step, 1 by 4 1 by 4 multiply 2. So the final answer is 1 upon 2. Thank you.